If your Valentine poster looks okay but not professional, don't redesign it. Now let me show you 3 small upgrades that will make a big difference. This is a simple Valentine post and it is not bad, but with a few small changes, we can upgrade it to look clean, modern and professional. The first upgrade is color balance. Most Valentine designs fail because the colors are too strong or too flat. Now let us make this design feel more premium and easy on the eyes by increasing contrast slightly. Now let us duplicate this artboard by Ctrl A. Now let us choose this maroon colored layer and go to FX, change color overlay to white and go to blending option, change the mode to overlay. This is before and this is after. Small color changes, big visual upgrades. Now let us go to the second upgrade, that is typography. Font alone can make a design cheap or expensive. Now from this design, I won't add any text but fix some font to make a pair of each other. For example, instead of Artwork Demo, I am using Montserrat. And this Anabi font I won't change because it looks a good pair with Montserrat, and of course it looks so premium. That is what we want. Now let us change this one to Montserrat, use regular. This is before and this is after. Therefore, a good typography doesn't shout, it guides the eyes. Now let us go to upgrade number 3, that is details and depth. Now let us add subtle details. Remember I said not effects but details. Now from this object, add a shadow, go to FX, choose drop shadow. Also add drop shadow to this icon, go to FX, drop shadow. And let us change this gradient color. Now let us check alignment, make sure aligned to the center. Control A to select and align to the center following the artboard, then press D to deselect. Now let us add social media icon, go to file, then press embedded. Now let us change color appearance of this icon. To do so, go to FX, choose color overlay, then choose a white color. Repeat the same process to all icons. Alignment is very important. Now let us add call to action here. Let us make it bold. Now let's add some texture. The background, go to filter, then filter gallery, apply grains, then reduce intensity around 13 enough. Also let's add some texture, filter gallery, press OK. This is before and this is after. And go to files, press embedded. So you can create your own shape depending on how you are impressed. Take alignment, make sure it is aligned to the center. The font spacing, we have to make our design breathe. Remember, these details, a soft shadow and clean alignment, instantly add depth. This is where the design starts to feel professional. This is before, this is after. Now let us finish final polish. The same design, no redesign, just a smart upgrade. If this video helped you, please like, share and comment. Next week I will show you how to upgrade digital invitation card in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and see you until next time. My name is Boniface and here is my Campbell Creatives.